Hello everyone, we are going to see about how to download AngularJS. To download AngularJS, you have a few options. Direct download. You can download AngularJS directly from the official website. As of now, last update, the official website for AngularJS is https angularjs.org. You can navigate to the download section and choose the version you want to download. You can download either the uncompressed or mini-feed version of AngularJS. And the second method is using package manager. If you are using a package manager like npm or bower, you can install AngularJS via command line. The command line is npm install Angular, or for using bower install Angular. These commands will download and install the latest version of AngularJS into a project's node module or bower components directly respectively. And the third method is CDN, Content Delivery Network. Alternatively, you can include AngularJS in your project directly from a CDN. This is useful if you don't want to download and manage the AngularJS file yourself. You can include AngularJS CDN using CDN link in your HTML file. For that, type AngularJS download. See, this is the CDN link. You can copy this and paste in your HTML file. AngularJS is your project directly is from the Google CDN. Once you are downloaded or included AngularJS in your project, you can start building AngularJS application by referencing the AngularJS script in your HTML file and adding AngularJS directives and code to your application. Thank you.